BlackBerry recently reported its fourth quarter fiscal year 2025 earnings. The results were a mix of good and bad news. Earnings per share came in at 3 cents, exceeding expectations. Revenue, however, fell short of analyst predictions. It landed at $141.7 million, marking a year-over-year decline. Despite beating EPS estimates, the revenue miss raised concerns. Investors are worried about the company's growth trajectory. BlackBerry's transition from hardware to software and cybersecurity has been challenging. The company faces stiff competition in these markets. Overall, fourth quarter earnings painted a mixed picture. BlackBerry showed profitability but struggled with revenue growth. This left investors and analysts with more questions than answers. The coming quarters will be crucial in determining if BlackBerry can regain its footing. The company needs to prove it can compete in the long term. The market's reaction to BlackBerry's fourth quarter earnings was swift and decisive. The stock tumbled 9.12% immediately following the release. This drop highlighted the market's disappointment with the revenue miss. Despite exceeding EPS forecasts, investors remained skeptical. This negative sentiment continued into the following trading day. Pre-market trading saw the stock plunge another 6.2%. Clearly, the market is uncertain about BlackBerry's future. The company's shift to software and cybersecurity is taking longer than expected. Growth in these areas has been slow, raising concerns about BlackBerry's ability to compete. The stock's performance reflects these anxieties. Investors are hesitant to buy in until they see more concrete signs of a turnaround. The coming quarters will be critical for BlackBerry to regain investor trust. While overall earnings were mixed, BlackBerry's segment performance offered some bright spots. The cybersecurity division specifically showed promising results. Revenue for this segment exceeded expectations. This strong performance was driven by strong demand for BlackBerry's ad hoc crisis communication platform. BlackBerry's QNX platform, used in automotive software, also performed well. Revenue remained relatively stable year over year. This stability is notable given the current volatility in the automotive industry. Supply chain disruptions and chip shortages have impacted the sector. Despite these challenges, QNX continues to hold its own. This resilience speaks to the platform's strength and BlackBerry's position in the automotive software market. However, the company acknowledges the need to diversify its offerings. Reliance on a single industry poses risks, especially in uncertain economic times. Section 4. Looking ahead, FY 2026, Guidance and Challenges. BlackBerry provided guidance for fiscal year 2026, projecting revenue between $504 million and $534 million. This forecast, however, fell short of analyst expectations. The company also anticipates a non-GAAP EPS loss between 8 cents and 10 cents for the fiscal year. This guidance, coupled with the fourth quarter revenue miss, has fueled investor concerns. Several challenges lie ahead for BlackBerry. The automotive sector, a key market for its QNX platform, faces ongoing volatility. Supply chain disruptions and economic uncertainty pose significant risks. Additionally, BlackBerry operates in a highly competitive cybersecurity market. Established players and emerging startups constantly challenge its position. To succeed, BlackBerry must innovate and differentiate itself. The company needs to convince investors that it has a viable long-term strategy. Delivering on its fiscal year 2026 guidance will be crucial in regaining market trust. Section 5. Conclusion: Navigating a complex landscape. BlackBerry's fourth quarter fiscal year 2025 earnings presented a mixed bag, leaving investors with both optimism and concern. The company exceeded EPS expectations but fell short on revenue. While the cybersecurity segment showed promise, challenges remain in the automotive sector. BlackBerry's fiscal year 2026 guidance further fueled uncertainty. Moving forward, BlackBerry faces a complex landscape. Navigating this terrain will require strategic decision-making and a focus on innovation. The company must address investor concerns and prove its ability to compete in the long run. Only then can BlackBerry regain market confidence and achieve sustainable growth. The future remains uncertain, but BlackBerry's fate is ultimately in its own hands.